My name is Ji Kim. Last year, I read the book Why is Half the World Starving? And it served as a motivation for me to visit Laos. During my overseas volunteering in Laos last summer, I was able to see poor educational environment in developing countries. So what do you think are the directions to address educational inequalities around the world? And what do you think is necessary?
Yeah, I mean, it's good that you went to Laos and you saw for yourself. Did you have your own ideas about how to address that problem?
I think
It's very difficult because you have a country such as Laos, and it's quite a poor country, so that it means the government has limited amount of money to pay for the construction of schools, for paying good salaries to teachers. So this for paying for textbooks for students. So this obviously affects the quality of education. So even if you have a very well-behaved government, if they don't have access to the resources, then they can't provide a good level of education. We have other governments, such as the North Korean government, that maybe is misspending state resources, so maybe spending too much money on developing nuclear weapons, so it means there's no money for education. So in that instance, you can advocate with the government on using the resources in a more appropriate way. But there's no one solution. It depends, like for Laos, it depends on the situation. Laos also has issues with the lack of democracy within the country. So you could also say improving freedom of expression also has an impact on the right to education as well. So I think it's understanding how what we say in the UN is that all human rights are interconnected. So if you violate one human right, it has an impact on all the other human rights. So I think it's understanding in that country which human rights are being violated and then addressing each of those in turn.
Thank you.